Photography isn't just about capturing moments, it's about telling stories, creating art, and preserving memories in stunning detail. Whether you're a professional photographer looking for the next game-changing upgrade or an aspiring creative searching for the perfect tool, the right camera can make all the difference. In 2025, the world of photography has reached new heights, with cameras boasting cutting-edge technology, lightning-fast autofocus, and jaw-dropping image quality. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 cameras for photography in 2025. Each one carefully selected for its performance, innovation, and ability to elevate your craft. From budget-friendly powerhouses to top-of-the-line luxury models, there's something here for every photographer. Let's jump right in with number 5, an absolute classic reborn. 5. Leica Q3. The Q3 is luxury in its purest form and embodies a seamless blend of craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. If you're someone who values simplicity paired with unmatched image quality, this one's for you. Leica packed the Q3 with a 60-megapixel full-frame sensor, ensuring jaw-dropping resolution in every shot. The sensor allows for incredible detail, dynamic range, and color depth that make every photo feel like a masterpiece. Its Summilux 28mm f1.7 fixed lens is a work of art on its own, perfect for street photography, portraits, and even landscapes. The bright aperture ensures stunning low-light performance and creamy background bokeh that adds an artistic touch to your images. What's even more impressive is the Q3's new phase detection autofocus, which finally gives this camera the speed and accuracy Leica fans have been asking for. Whether you're shooting fast-moving subjects or capturing fleeting moments, the autofocus locks on effortlessly. The camera also includes upgraded connectivity features, such as wireless charging and seamless app integration, making it easier than ever to share your work on the go. The build quality, true to Leica's heritage, is robust and weather-sealed, ensuring the camera can handle the toughest conditions without compromising performance. But here's the kicker. This camera isn't for everyone. The fixed lens might feel limiting for some, especially if you're used to interchangeable systems. At nearly $6,000, it's not exactly budget-friendly either. However, for those who appreciate the Leica aesthetic and want a tool that excels in timeless quality and precision, the Leica Q3 is more than just a camera. It's an investment in art and legacy. Coming in at number 4, the Fujifilm X100VI is the darling of street photographers everywhere, and for good reason. This compact powerhouse features a new 26.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS5 sensor, delivering stunning image quality with incredible detail and color accuracy. The fast 23mm f2 lens is sharp and versatile, offering a field of view that's ideal for everything from candid street shots to breathtaking environmental portraits. And with the improved hybrid autofocus system, tracking moving subjects has never been smoother or faster. It's sleek, portable, and oozes style with its retro-inspired design, making it as much a conversation starter as it is a photographic tool. Plus, Fuji's legendary film simulations let you achieve that iconic analog look right out of the camera, saving you hours of editing. What's new with the X100VI? Let's talk about the tilt screen. Finally, Fujifilm has introduced a tiltable LCD, making those tricky low-angle and overhead shots a breeze to capture. This feature alone is a game changer for street and travel photographers who need versatility in their compositions. Another noteworthy addition is the built-in ND filter, which is perfect for controlling exposure on bright sunny days or achieving creative, long exposure effects. Whether you're shooting vibrant cityscapes or dreamy outdoor scenes, the X100VI rises to the occasion every time. However, the fixed lens design might feel restrictive for photographers who prefer the flexibility of interchangeable systems. But here's the thing, this camera isn't about versatility in focal lengths. It's about mastering the art of storytelling within a single frame. If you're someone who thrives on creativity and appreciates the elegance of simplicity, the Fujifilm X100VI will not just meet, but exceed your expectations. It's a travel companion you'll never want to leave behind, and for those who understand its charm, the X100VI is simply unbeatable. 3. Nikon Z6 III. In the middle of our list, we have the Z6 III, a full-frame mirrorless camera that strikes a perfect balance between performance and price. This camera is an ideal choice for both enthusiasts and professionals looking for versatility without compromising on quality. It's rocking a 24.5 megapixel sensor and the all-new Expeed 8 processor, which not only enhances overall performance, but also delivers stunningly sharp image quality with exceptional dynamic range. Whether you're shooting stills or video, the Z6 III excels at capturing life's most intricate details. The sensor pairs perfectly with Nikon's Z-mount lenses, offering incredible sharpness and creative possibilities. One of the most impressive upgrades is the improved autofocus system, which now rivals the best from Sony and Canon. This new autofocus technology makes it a reliable choice for sports and wildlife photographers, seamlessly tracking fast-moving subjects with pinpoint accuracy. From birds in flight to action-packed moments, the Z6 III delivers consistently sharp results. Video shooters rejoice. The Z6 III offers 6K video recording with internal ProRes RAW capabilities, which means cinema-quality footage is within reach. You'll appreciate the attention to detail, with features like focus peaking and advanced video profiles, ensuring your content looks professional every time. Beyond its technical prowess, the Z6 III's ergonomic design makes it a joy to use. The grip is comfortable for extended shoots, and the intuitive control layout allows quick adjustments on the fly. However, there are a couple of drawbacks to note. Battery life could be better, especially during prolonged video recording, and the menu system might feel a bit daunting for beginners. But despite these minor flaws, the Nikon Z6 III stands out as a fantastic hybrid option that caters to a wide range of creative needs. If you're looking for a camera that delivers professional performance at a more accessible price point, the Z6 III is a compelling choice. 2. Canon EOS R5 Mark II. At number 2 is a camera that redefines what a full-frame mirrorless can do, the EOS R5 Mark II. Building on the success of its predecessor, the R5 Mark II boasts a 45 megapixel sensor with improved dynamic range and noise control, producing breathtakingly detailed images with vibrant colors and impressive clarity. Whether you're capturing high-action sports or serene landscapes, the R5 Mark II ensures that every shot counts. The star of the show? 45 FPS burst shooting. Perfect for action photographers who can't afford to miss a single moment. The camera's precision and speed make it a go-to option for professionals in demanding fields. This beast also handles video like a pro, offering 8K video at 60 frames per second with enhanced sharpness and depth that rivals cinema quality production. Canon went the extra mile to address overheating issues from the previous model by adding an updated cooling system, allowing for longer recording sessions without interruptions. The inclusion of 4K HQ oversampling makes this camera equally powerful for videographers who want unparalleled detail and flexibility in their footage. Add to that the HDR PQ mode and built-in image stabilization, and you have a tool that elevates creative possibilities. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 is still one of the best autofocus systems out there, locking onto subjects with incredible speed and precision, whether it's tracking a racing car or focusing on the subtle movements of a portrait subject. The downside? The price tag. This camera is undeniably an investment, but with its extensive feature set and unparalleled performance, it's clear that the R5 Mark II is designed for those who are serious about photography or videography. If you're looking for a tool that can push the boundaries of creativity, this camera is worth every penny. 1. Sony A1 II. Taking the crown is none other than the Sony A1 II, the king of versatility and performance in 2025, and it's not hard to see why. With a jaw-dropping 50 megapixel stacked sensor, this camera is capable of delivering stunningly detailed images with incredible dynamic range and color depth. The 30 FPS burst shooting means you can capture the most fleeting moments, whether it's a bird taking flight or a split-second goal in a high-stakes game. And the real-time AI tracking takes things to another level, effortlessly recognizing and following subjects like birds, vehicles, and even insects with remarkable precision and speed. Wildlife, sports, portraits, there's virtually nothing this camera can't handle. For videographers, the A1 II is a dream come true. It shoots 8K video at 60 frames per second with incredible clarity and depth, and its 16-bit RAW output ensures maximum flexibility in post-production. Thanks to its improved heat management system, you won't have to worry about overheating during long recording sessions, which is a massive plus for professionals working in demanding environments. Whether you're filming cinematic landscapes or high-paced action scenes, the A1 II's video capabilities set a new standard for hybrid cameras. The addition of enhanced video profiles, including S-Cinetone, further widens the creative possibilities for filmmakers. The cherry on top? The A1 II's dual CF Express Type A and SD card slots offer unparalleled flexibility for both speed and storage, accommodating photographers and videographers alike. The robust weather-sealed design ensures that this camera can withstand harsh conditions, making it a reliable companion for outdoor shoots. Of course, all this power comes at a price, but for those who demand the absolute best, the Sony A1 II delivers in spades. It's not just a camera, it's a tool that redefines what's possible in modern photography and videography.